Using product groups, you can organize products and provide structure to your website. To create a product group, go to the Products tab in the Navigator window, choose More Options, New Product Group, or use Command N. Enter a product group title that accurately describes the items. Then, enter the singular and plural terms for the products in this group. For example, shirt for singular and shirts for plural. Select the brand and vendor from the drop-down menus. Use the checkboxes to indicate whether the product group contains physical products that can be inventoried, if products in the group are sold only in packs, or if the products are fulfilled strictly through dropshipping services. A product group requires an assigned category before it's visible online. To do this, open the Categories tab in the Assets window, select the category, and drag it over to the Entry field. Choose from the assigned attributes that best describe the product group. Moving on to pricing, you can set product group prices for in-store and online purchases. You can also provide the MSRP, minimum advertising price, and wholesale prices. These apply as default for new products you add, and display profit and savings information based on the values you enter. In the shipping section, you can select your preferred units of measurement, set a default product size and weight, define a typical turnaround time, and set a minimum shipping charge. Lastly, you can assign keywords that will bring up the product group when entered into your website's search bar. Any keywords assigned to your categories will appear in the Inherited Keywords section below. Finally, click Add to create the new product group and open it in the Product Group window. The top half contains the information we've just entered and generally refers to the product group as a whole. You can edit this information by clicking the pencil icon when viewing a product group. The lower half focuses on product variations and their details. If you click Description, you can toggle the window layout to modify the product group's webpage. We cover all that and more in other videos, so for now, you know how to create and manage product groups in Tuplo Studio.